Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some plants from my own garden. I have clicked their pictures. I have a number of pictures of the plants that are there in my home garden. So today we are going to talk about their color, branch, properties, medicinal uses and things like them. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see here it's a tree. It's a tree. Its name is Ashoka. This is Ashoka's tree. As you can see, its trunk here, it's bit thick. So trees have thick stem. Thick stem. They are tall. You can see its height here. See? Yeah. So trees are thick. They have thick stem and they are tall, big and strong. This is another tree in right in the middle of my house. It bears white flowers. These are little tiny white flowers that this very tree bears. So this tree is basically a flowering one, and it has got a woody stem, green leaves, and it bears white flowers of mogra, called as jasmine. First use of this beautiful tree and its beautiful leaves is that these leaves have antibacterial properties. So they are used to treat wounds and acne. Yes. And the next use is that consuming a herbal tree of its leaves, that is jasmine herbal tree, helps in treating cancer in a long run. And the last and the foremost use of these flowers is that they are used in perfume industries. They smell so good that a lot many companies use these flowers. They extract their fragrance to use in perfumes. Children, look at this plant. It has all green stem and green leaves, green small leaves and all green stem. Yeah, so these small plants that have green stem and green leaves, these are called herbs. And talking about this very plant, this is a plant of basil, tulsi. This is tulsi. So this is a herb named tulsi or basil. Also, children, this plant of tulsi is of utmost medicinal use, since its leaves are used to cure cough and cold. People consume its leaves in winters also, as they provide immunity naturally to our body. Now here is another herb from my garden. This one is called aloe vera. Aloe vera. Look at the root, its branches, leaves. It only has these long leaf-like structures, which you can also call its stem. These have also got spikes. As you can see here in the branch, they have got spikes on both the ends. Here is a smaller brother of him. Also, this plant is of utmost use in medicines. Aloe vera is full of antioxidants and hence is good for your skin and hair. Next up is this huge tall papaya tree, and it also has got some papayas. These small leaves are of curry plant. These are the curry leaves that your mother must also be adding in some of her dishes. Yeah, so this one is papaya tree with the red cloth. In the red cloth there are papayas. You must be able to see these tiny small green papayas. Yeah, this is a papaya tree. And now I have this climber. This climber is known as money plant. As you can see, this is climbing up the wall. We have given some support. It has got these broad leaves. and a green stem. And yeah, so this is a climber. This is just a decorative plant. It doesn't get any flowers or fruits. This is just for the sake of decoration or show, you can say. This is for the decoration purpose only. Nextly, I have this small bush over here. It is not that thick, but I can make you understand. See, they have got brown branches, and also they are spread all over the pot. Like you can see, the other plants and trees, they were not occupying this much of the space of a pot, but it is spread all over. It is occupying more space. So this is basically a bush. It's a bush. And the last one is this holly plant. This is also known as Christmas cactus, as it has got spikes all over its body, all over its leaves. So this is no, as the name itself denotes, it is the Christmas cactus. So I basically use it only for the Christmas purpose, for the purpose of decorating it. And it is a non-flowering plant again, got green spikes. And that's all for the day. Thank you.